These are gained skills, and it takes some time, but everyone has the right to play piano. Everyone has the right to enjoy it at any age. Where are we as a human? We're putting a number. We're putting a number on an age, saying, oh, you're too old to do that. Am I too old to eat? Movement is life. Sorry, I'm getting intense, but movement is life. Hey, what's going on? You ever have something on your mind, you got to communicate, you got to advocate, you get intense about it, or maybe even angry or other choice words? Well, that's what we're going to be doing today. And I know that the world is hurting, and I'm not piggybacking on all that stuff. The world's on fire. It's historic. It's insane. And if you don't agree to that, just put in the comments what planet you're on, because I would maybe like to locate to that wonderful planet. Anyway, I specialize in working with adults and older adults. I like to root learners on and enjoy the lifelong awesome art of music and piano playing. So I'm Jim, Grassroots Piano. Today I wanted to read a comment, and I believe this person just quickly typed something up, and this comment really got me thinking, because I've run into this a few times now. When I say a few times, I don't mean a few times in my career. I mean 2 times in January and also a total of 4 times. So 2 times also in February. And it's about aging and piano. One comment I'm not going to pull up, but it was simple. We're going to start with this one. I believe 50 is too old to learn piano. That really irritates me. And I'll share why, but this is not about me. It's my observation as a teacher and what I have learned from older adults. All right, so this is from Tech Guy. All right, so I started lessons at 53. I learned to sight read by my teacher. Spent very little time in counting or any theory. I quit. She admitted she didn't expect adults to really learn anything. Let me say that again. She admitted she didn't expect adults to really learn anything. I can't seem to memorize pieces. I remember small bits. She said this was because I was old. Been working on my own for a while now. So, Tech Guy, amazing that you didn't quit. This comment really bothers me, and I'm being very passionate here. So I've taught all ages, and I also work with a lot of teenagers, and that's a whole other gamut. They have struggles too with learning. They also can be very fast with learning, but also, I don't want to say lazy, but kind of impulsive because of where they are in their stage in their brain. So this is like malpractice. Admitted she didn't expect adults to really learn anything. That would be like me going to physical therapy for whatever reason, and the physical therapist says, hi, I guess you can ice it, but you're a little too old. You really can't do anything. So let's get this off the table. We're not worried about doing concertos. We're not worried about doing competitions or getting the most views on your piano and you're on grade 10 or whatever. We're worried about enjoying our lives and having music part of our lives. Not worried, but that's what the insight is. To maybe play church hymns that you love, to maybe simplify things and understand about chords and how to make things easier. I am here to say this is, that's me blurting out. That's so uncool. I am so upset about this. Let me tell you something right now. Some of the best students I've had, sorry, teenagers, if you're watching this, they don't really know about this channel, or if they do, it's boring, but some of the best students I have had are adults, older than me, and I'll tell you why. They're thankful they have the time. They're thankful that they have the time. They're thankful that they have the resources to buy a book, to go on YouTube. They're thankful to be disciplined. They're thankful that they've learned skills where they can apply those disciplinary habits to piano playing. Some of the best learners and best piano enthusiasts, if you will, are adults. It's what you want. So we're going to clear that off the table too. I am very impressed with some people where they will discipline and go for it, and they haven't pressed a key before, but they're already playing some melodies. These are gained skills, and it takes some time, but everyone has the right to play piano. Everyone has the right to enjoy it at any age. Where are we as a human? We're putting a number. We're putting a number on an age, saying, oh, you're too old to do that. Am I too old to eat? Movement is life. Sorry, I'm getting intense, but movement is life. Our fingers are moving. We're walking to the keyboard. I mean, our brains are thinking. Yes, I'm not a doctor, but I've been doing this long enough to know a lot of things about how the mind works with piano and music, plasticity. We lose plasticity as we age, but we get back fine motor skills when we're learning guitar, when we're learning piano, when we're listening to music. There's a dopamine rush. Saying that, I'm appalled. I just don't know what to say, so here I am. And what I'm concerned with is I just released a video a few days ago, and a kind person just said, I can't do it because I'm too old. And you know what? I'm not mad at them, because if we're getting teachers like this, or we're getting comments like this is not okay. It's not fair. Some of the best people that I've met in my life are a lot older than me because they have wisdom, and I cherish that. My son jokes with me. He's very young. We adopted him. We're late bloomers. He's 10 now. He'll joke with us about age. Last night I said, when you're my age and if you have good health, you'll be thankful. When you're my age, you won't cry over basic things. I mean, come on. My dog, Pepper, Australian Shepherd Border Collie mix. Yeah, I know, it's crazy to talk about a dog in a piano video. But is it? Because he's an agility champion. He could still probably place if he wanted to. And if we do the math, he's 98 years old. He has a hard time getting up sometimes because of his hips. All right, so maybe a lot of you know this, but I'm in your corner. I don't want to see these comments. I mean, I do vent to me, but I don't want any learners to go to a teacher and have this happen. Please don't. You'll be better off. And I know there'll be disagreements with this, but if you go to a lesson and if you're demotivated and someone's saying you're just too old, no. Am I too old to run a marathon? Yes. I don't have those deck of cards. I already have a hip replacement. My knees sound like maracas, and that's okay. I know my limits. Am I too old with some of my hand issues to do fancy concertos? Yes, that's why I like to motivate other people to enjoy music like me. All right, before we go, I have something to glance at. I'm just going to play a little bit. I am working on a fun chord pattern, and the benefit, this is like probably going into intermediate level. I've been really doing a lot of beginner stuff, so now I'm feeding some of the intermediate pianos, but a beginner could do this. I just want to give a sneak peek, and the benefit of this is working our digits, so it's kind of like a fun chordal warm-up. A lot of YouTube people love these rhythm patterns on piano. They're fun. You can't see the keys, but I'm just going to play an idea I have, so you got to end with the music. All right, so kind of A minor here. And I kind of thought of that because it has a little minor, it's a little dark because it's lower on the keyboard, but it has some hope in there with major chords, and that's why I want to leave with everyone. If you're playing today, you're doing better than you did yesterday. Bye-bye.